Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I would be telling you how to decorate cake in a very easy way. So let's get started. Whip the cream. This is the first layer of cake. Apply sugar syrup, which is water plus sugar, and then apply it on the cake so that the cake becomes moist. Then apply whipping cream and plain it. This is the second layer. Put it on the cake and repeat the same process. This is the third layer and again repeat the process. Put the cake on the cake board. Then decorate the cake using a nozzle. Here I've used open star nozzle. Make the same design on the borders. Now make some stars in center also. Then use some sprinkles. Here I've used golden balls, silver balls and colorful rainbow balls also. Don't forget to put some balls on sides too. So this is the final look of our cake. I hope you liked it. So please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And also tell me in the comments that which cake you wanna see next. Thanks for watching.